Hi there and welcome back. So I'm going to do a flip through of this Lapbook that I've been making over the last couple of weeks. I've used Tim Holtz material for the cover and some of the papers inside it. I've used a kit of my own called Dark Botanicals. That's the main kit that I've used. And I've also used bits from my Gentleman kit and bits from Midnight Meadow kit, which can all be found in my Etsy shop or my Patreon shop. So it's material front, like I say, it's Tim Holtz fabric. I've not put anything on the front, as you can see. I am selling this one, so you know, if somebody wanted to put something on the front, they definitely could. I kind of like it plain. That's the spine and the back, and then this is where we open it. So you could definitely add some pockets or something there. I was a bit conscious of, you know, keeping it quite slim, which I do really like. Okay, so that's it opened up fully. So I think what we'll do is we'll just do a side at a time. So you open it up, and a lot of the pockets and stuff was made with packaging and things like that. So we've got a pocket here with some Tim Holtz bits and some botanicals, and then a bit of a cluster of things there, and then a Tim Holtz photograph there, which you can obviously journal on the back. A little bit of a cluster there, some lace down the side, and then we've got a tab there which opens up. I've just added some collage on top of the Tim Holtz paper, and then here we've got two little files from the Dark Botanical kits which you can journal in, and then inside them they've just got bits of Tim Holtz leftovers, and then this just little piece of vellum, and the same down there. Okay, so that's that part, and then this part, it opens like so and like so. So this side, I don't know, I want to do the other side first, I don't know why. So at the back we've got this piece here which has got this window envelope, done some collage, got a little pocket inside with two plain journal cards which can be decorated or left as, and then here we've got this journal card, and that goes in there. Okay, so that's that part. Here we've got a pocket with two botanical papers which are tea stained. Got writing there and on there. They was from Tapeology. I do have a coupon code for them, and it is down below in the description. And then we've just got a Tim Holtz photo there and a little sticker there. Then we've got this side pocket here, and just got a stamp area piece there, so you can write on those. That's Tim Holtz 8x8 paper. And then I've got a Tim Holtz photo there. Okay, now you can open it this way. We've got a pocket from the top Botanical kit and this tag there. And then I've done a little collage there. Then we've got two journals which are elasticated in, so you can take them in and out and write in them. They've got 10 pages in each, so that makes 40 sides, and it's a mixture of tea stain paper, kit paper, and some other bits and bobs. There's a paper bag in them. These papers from Tapeology. There's the paper bag. Some Tim Holtz scrapbook paper. And I've just made the covers from Tim Holtz 12 by 12. This is the second journal. So same kind of layout. There's some wrapping paper there. Paper bag. Other side of that, wrapping paper. Another Tim Holtz piece. Okay, so that's those two journals. So that's that side. Okay, then we open it this side. Again, we've got the two journals here, which paper bag. Yeah. And this one, Tim Holtz, kit page. So did I say 40 sides in each one? So that's 40, 80, 160 sides altogether. Okay, so that's the journals. Then we've got this, which opens out that way and that way. And we've got a pocket here. That opens out that way. These two flip up and they've got writing space on them. We've got this here. That goes up there. That goes there. And then we've got a card here. Oh, opens up so you can write in inside. Got some velvet trim across there and some lace there. Then this side we've got two little side pockets, and they've been decorated with Tim Holtz photos and some like photo strip there. Done a lovely collage in the middle. And then this side we've got a Tim Holtz photo and then a clock in card, what's been stamped and stenciled. Another one of those windows here with the decoupage journal card there. And some lace down the bottom. And then this piece, we've got this pocket here. That's Tim Holtz piece, that's from the kit, and some Tim Holtz scrap here. Another Tim Holtz photo. Then in here we've got some Tim Holtz paper which you can obviously write on. Yep. And then this big pocket, we've got some invoices which I've tea stained and just put a sticker on them. So, writing space. And then just decorated the pocket up, a little bit of lace down there. And then we've got this pocket here. Does this open? No, I don't think it does, but you can obviously write on the back. And then we've got this tall one here, which you can't open. You can write on the back. So that is that. Thoroughly enjoyed making it. I hope you enjoyed the videos. If you watched, if you didn't, there is a playlist. It's called Dark Botanicals. And yeah, I think the next videos I'm going to be making some ephemera with things what are left over. And just make a quick journal up to use everything up. So really pleased with how it's turned out. I do love how it's all inside. Okay, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.